Dollar Tree looking at their decorations for Christmas. All right, so on this side over here, guys, we have the tinsel, and they come in the silver, the green, the gold, and the red. And yes, I'm vlogging, so you will hear noise in the background, guys. Here is the faux snow, and here we have ornament fillers. Okay, so I know I've seen these before. Okay, then we have the foam scatter. All right, and we have it in the multicolor or the Christmas colors, and then we have silver and white. Now over here we have the mini bows, guys, so these are really nice, especially if you're crafting. And then they have the Christmas trees. Okay, so you get 6 in this one, and then so you have them in white and silver, gold. Okay, and let's see, so here we have some stickers. I love these, the gingerbread, and then we have the pom-pom trim. I love the pom-pom trim, guys. You got green, red, and white, so these are nice for crafting. And then here we have the felt ornament kit. All right, and here we have more pom-poms all the way up, and then the bells. So the bells do come in sizes. Look at the big ones right here. Then you have like the medium-sized ones. Here's the little small ones, and they do come in all these colors. So that's pretty neat. Here we have some more ornament fillers. I'm kind of liking those. And they have different kind, okay? Now, I'll show you the bottom when I make my way around. So here we have the felt ornament kit. This is a nice size Christmas tree. Look at the gingerbread, guys. You can literally make a pillow out of these. So here are the foam sheets. The Christmas, that's the gingerbread. Here is the Christmas tree, and there's the angel. There's the snowman kit, and these are foam sheets. Now these foam sheets are pretty nice. You get 12 in the pack. All right, and then here are the snowballs. So these are the bigger ones. You get 3. The next size you get 8, and these are 15. I'm sorry for that noise, guys. Then you have these craft little bags that the kids can go ahead and color in. It comes with the markers. And here are the stockings that they can also color for themselves, which I think is really nice. That's a nice craft day. Now here you can make your own ornaments. These are ceramic pieces, and here's the paint. So you have all kinds of crafts to keep the young ones busy crafting their own stuff. Isn't that nice, guys? So they have so many different kinds. And I love this one. That's the nativity. Then you have the snowflake ornaments, the Santa, the snowman. Okay, a lot of crafting stuff, guys, for the kids. Then you have the wreath hangers right here, and you have the LED lights. So look on the side over here, and I'll tell you what color these lights are. So here's the wooden snowflake. There's the ornament. I absolutely love these. Okay, and then you have the truck with the Christmas tree. Here, this one looks a little bent. So you have the house here. Okay, that's really nice. Here's Santa, the Christmas tree, the star. Here's the snowman, and there's my favorite, the gingerbread. So I'm loving that. And then here are some little stuff, elves. Now down here we have some ribbon, okay? And here's the glitter ones. And I love these. So this one is the gingerbread, guys. I love that. I'm also loving the candy cane. So those are calling my attention this year. Down here you have the deco mesh and some more of the ribbon. And look at these trees, and they're flocked, guys, for $1.50. So I like them better when they were $1, but they're $1.50, and I still think $1.50 is great. So they have the different shaped trees. Here's the all white. Here's some more ribbon. And then they have mixed colors over here. These already have like little bulbs on them, and they do come in sizes. So some are bigger than others. The silver one is nice. And then here are the big bulbs. Okay, you can decorate those any which way you want. They also have this shape. Okay, and look, they have the LED Christmas trees. I like these. These are really nice. I like this too. Let's see if we can find out where that came from. These are really nice. Isn't that a beautiful color, guys? All right, so we have more of the bulbs over here. You can try around and DIY your own bulbs. Here are the Christmas trees, guys. Green, and there's the white back there. And then over here you have some decorative poinsettias. Here are some more LED lights. These, somebody put this here. The picks. Okay, so these are some more LED lights. And then over here you have the bottle holder and the Santa suit. So isn't that nice? All right, so I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.